Mary Jane, so you spoke with some experts about some safety advice if you're planning on lighting up fireworks right outside the front door, huh?
Oh, absolutely, Sherry. I mean, tree service companies tell me this is a busy time of year for them, and combined with dead vegetation and dry climate, it's all perfect conditions for dry leaves to catch on fire. First Choice Tree Service and property management company North American Commercial say only use fireworks outdoors when shooting them off, stay away from homes, dry grass and trees, and check the weather for the day as winds can impact smoke. Always have a hose or a bucket of water on hand to help control a small fire if it starts.
If we can recommend 4 to 5 days of additional watering prior to, that way no bushes are dry, they've got the most amount of water in the can, and in the event a firework does touch a plant or a bush or a tree, a palm tree, hopefully it doesn't catch fires.
Because we have thousands, hundreds of thousands of palms in this valley, and it takes time to get them done and completed, so try to get them done early in the season, more or less like May through the end of June, so you can protect your properties.
Experts advise you to keep palm leaves at a 9 to 3 cut, just like on the hands of a standard clock. And if you can, take time now to keep your trees trimmed and maintained ahead of the 4th of July holiday. And of course, the best way to ensure your safety is to avoid setting off fireworks at your home and instead opt for a professional show. All good advice there. Live in the newsroom, Mary Jane Live Local Now.